In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload and self-sign a document in DocuSign. Let's dive right in by opening your preferred web browser and heading to DocuSign.com. You'll want to start out by clicking on the Login button. If you already have an account, go ahead and enter your login credentials. If you're new to DocuSign, take a moment to create an account by following the on-screen prompts. It's a straightforward process that'll have you set up in no time. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page of DocuSign. Here, you'll see a variety of options at your fingertips. What you want to do next is click on the Start button. This is where the magic begins, uploading the document you need to sign. Select the Upload option, which allows you to choose a file from your device. Navigate through your files, select the document you wish to upload, and then click Open. This action will start the upload process. Now that your document is uploaded, it's time to set yourself up as the signer. Under the Add Recipients section, you'll notice a checkbox labeled I'm the only signer. Click this checkbox to let the system know that you'll be signing this document. This step is crucial because it streamlines the signing process, ensuring that all signature fields are appropriately assigned to you. With the signer set, the next step involves placing your signing elements on the document. You'll see a selection of fields that you can drag and drop onto your document. These include signature, date, and other necessary fields. Take your time to position these fields precisely where they need to be. Precision here is key to making sure everything appears neat and aligned once signed. After arranging your fields, it's time to save your progress and proceed to the signing stage. When you're satisfied with everything, go ahead and save your work to complete the signing process. As your document is now prepared, it's important to ensure that the new document aligns with the existing fields. Double check to make sure every component is intact. This review step is essential to ensure that there's no misalignment and that all the fields you added are in their intended positions. Once you have verified everything and you're confident everything is correctly placed, it's time to conclude the process. Click on the Finish button. Congratulations, you've successfully uploaded and self-signed a document in DocuSign. With these simple steps, handling and signing documents has never been easier. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.